Hi, I'm Natalie from Trafford Fireplaces and I'm going to show you the basic controls on your remote control for the Gazco Skope 105R hole in the wall electric fire. So first let's switch it off and we can start from the beginning. So let's take a look at the remote control. So this is your remote control. We will switch the lights on by using this button here. And there you can see the lights are on. Now I'm going to show you how to switch the heat on. Okay? Now, let's have a look at the remote again. In the top right hand corner next to the battery symbol there is a letter N. You must make sure there's an N there because N is the manual setting. If you press the M button, you also have D, which is a daytime setting, W, which is a week setting, and then it goes back to N. So make sure it's on N because that's manual. Okay? Then to switch the heat on, we press this button here and that switches it on. And you can adjust the heat using the plus or minuses. In order for heat to come out of the fire, the set temperature must be higher than the room temperature. If it isn't, the heat won't come out. Okay? Now, we've switched the heat on. There's the fire. Next, what I'm going to show you to do is to change the flame effect. Okay? So, if we look back at our remote control, to change the flame effect, we press the flame button and then we use the arrow keys. And that changes the flame effect of the fire. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to change the colours on the fuel bed. So let's look at our remote control. To do that, you press this button and then the arrow keys again. Now with this fire, there are 14 different fuel bed colour settings, 13 different colours, and then number 14, it just scrolls through the different colours, as you can see here. Okay? And that is how you use the Gazco Skope 105R electric hole in the wall fire.